And one more thing, that the roles of the central government is totally quite helpless. It is not serious at all. The unprecedented turmoil situation in the state since 3rd May 2023 and still continue unrest situation, kidnapping, and these explosions of the high-tech bombarding and all. And in fact, it is no sign of development, no sign of good law and order. The administration is totally hopeless, is totally failed. The system is no more. Not only the Home Department, it is totally failed in the civil department also. People are quite restless. Those who are suffer, those who are homeless, those who are in the relief camp, they are still continue. It's going to be a complete 17th month. How and why this central government is still neglecting? Prime Minister is not caring about Manipur, and Home Department is not serious. This is what we are facing. The people of Manipur is really very sure and is quite helpless with this double engine government. Army General, what he stated yesterday, it is very unfortunate. It is really highly condemned from our side, because the recent bombarding by using this drone and the airstrike by using this rocket launcher and so that was very evidence. The concerned state's Home Department have already given the statement saying that evidence were there, that the use of these high-tech drones and bombarding, and also use of these RPGs, that had been evidenced by the state government, Home Department. DGP has already announced the official order has been made. And how this Army General, they stated about this, there is no evidence of such using of high-tech drones and these things, RPGs. It is quite contradictory what the present situation is prevailing in the state. What to say is nonsense. It is quite baseless. The state government is saying, giving the evidence, and also how the Army General, he is not serious on the Manipur issue. That is why it is quite unfortunate, and the statement is condemnable. It is really condemned from our side. In fact, in connection with the present prevailing law and order, and also the recent abducted 2 youths, it is something like total failure of the law and order here in Manipur. Very recently, we joined meeting of all these MLAs and the ministers of the state. Honorable Chief Minister has invited us, and from our side, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, our self-leader and myself joined in the meeting. So at that meeting also, we just convinced him that Honorable Chief Minister should act accordingly with the provisions of the constitutions, by enforcing the law of the nations, law of the state. In connection with that, we praise him to the Honorable Chief Minister that he should take the help from the Home Minister Shri Amit Shah to immediate rescue of this present problem, that is 2 youth abducted. In this connection, we praise him like anything. Rescue immediately with the help of the state force and by the central force.